Hello from Seoul. We've done millions of chicken recipes. Yeah, they are all legendary. But if this is not in your personal cookbook, then you're missing out on one of the greatest chicken dishes of all time. Trust me, this bad boy has truly changed my life. Today, we're gonna make cashew chicken, one of the most popular takeout dishes of all time. It's so quick and easy, nutritionally balanced, and most importantly, it's budget friendly. Trust me, this is gonna be perfect for your weeknight dinner. What? The taste? Don't worry about it. Once you try it, you may wanna open your own restaurant with this bad boy. For this, you will need some chicken, onion, bell peppers, garlic, ginger, green onions, and cashews. That's it! So simple, right? Everything you need is pretty much like in your pantry or fridge. So I guess you don't need to go out shopping for this. Seriously, there's no reason not to try this at home. So buckle up! First, let's cut some chicken into bite-sized pieces. Today, I'm using 450 grams of boneless skin-on chicken thighs, but you can swap it out for chicken breast. If you're on a diet and you're trying this recipe, that could be a better option, so it's all up to you. Now let's marinate the chicken. Add half a tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine or mirin, a quarter teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of neutral oil, and give it a good massage until it gets relaxed. Of course, you could skip this step and just cook it in a pan. That's not a problem. But that little bit more effort will make your chicken more juicy and flavorful. Trust me, it'll make a huge difference in taste. Especially if you're using chicken breast, the difference will be even greater. While they're enjoying their vacation in the fridge, let's prepare our vegetables. First, cut half an onion into nice bite-sized pieces, and then do the same thing with bell peppers. We're gonna need about 2 cups. Once that's done, smash 4 cloves of garlic and finely chop them, and then grate a small knob of ginger, about half a teaspoon. Lastly, take 3 green onions and cut them into long strips, and then thinly slice some white parts of the green onions. As always, we're gonna stir fry these to make our beautiful aromatic oil, and that will take our dish to the next level. Now let's move on to the sauce. In a small container, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, 4 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, and mix it. Normally, cashew chicken has 2 different styles, Chinese style and Thai style. So if you want it to be more Thai style, use a mix of golden mountain sauce and fish sauce instead of chicken bouillon powder. Trust me, you feel like that's something out of your favorite Thai restaurant. Alright, we're set. Let's get cooking. In a large wok or pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it over medium heat. Once it's heated, add half a cup of raw cashews and let them roast for about 2 to 3 minutes. Here, some of you might ask, Aaron, mine is already roasted. Should I need to do that? Yes, you still need to do that because what we're looking for is a deep dark brown, not like golden brown. But don't you ever bring that salted one. I told you already. So if you end up with super salty cashew chicken, which almost tastes like the ocean, I'm not responsible. Alright, once they get browned and crunchy, remove them from the pan and set them aside. Now it's time for the chicken. Place the same wok over high heat. Once it's heated, add the marinated chicken, spread it out, and let it sear for about 1 to 2 minutes or until golden brown. This step will give us some nice caramelization and add more flavor that we're looking for. So make sure you're doing this over high heat. Otherwise, the chicken is gonna be steamed instead of fried. Once you get some nice browning on the bottom, give it a few stirs and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. What? You're not sure if the chicken is cooked? So you're kind of worried about your chicken being undercooked? Then grab the biggest chicken piece and cut it in half. If it's cooked, you can remove it from the pan. Of course, you could also check with your fancy thermometer, but this is the simplest way for you to do it. I always tell you, simple is the best. Now with this beautiful chicken fat, let's make some aromatic oil. Place the same wok over medium heat. And into this beautiful fat, throw in your garlic, ginger, white parts of the green onions, and saute those for about 1 minute. If there's not enough oil because you use chicken breast, I recommend adding 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil because this will infuse the whole dish with flavors, and that will make a huge difference in taste. So make sure you take some time to make this beautiful aromatic oil. Once your kitchen smells wonderful, increase the heat to high, add the onions, bell peppers, and stir them around for about 1 minute. After that, add the chicken back in and toast them together for about 30 seconds. Now it's time to add in our sauce. But don't forget to give it a good stir before you pour that in. From now, all you need to do is stir everything together until the sauce is thickened. That's it! So simple, right? If you tried yourself, you'll be surprised how easy that is. Last but not least, let's turn the heat off and finish up our dish by adding some green onions and cashews that we prepared earlier. That's it! It's way easier than you think, right? Alright, let's get some rice on a plate and top it up with our gorgeous cashew chicken. How does it look? Looks fabulous, right? Alright, let's go to our taste tester.
Claire?
Wow, I didn't know cashew chicken is this much beautiful. Look at all these beautiful colors. Looks super appetizing. Let's give it a try. 너무 많이. Oh my god.
미안해, 이거 아니야. I'm sorry.
Enough talking. Let's give it a try. cashew chicken이니까 치킨부터. 와. 와, 맛있네. 육즙을 온전히 가지고 있어. 너무 촉촉하니 부드럽고 맛있어. 거기다 그 약간의 닭껍질이 매력 포인트네. 약간 부들부들 야들야들하면서 살짝 바삭한 느낌이 너무 맛있어. 이게 바로 내가 말하는 거야. 와, 그냥 뭐 씹을 필요가 없는데? 이번에는 야채 좀 먹어볼까? 미쳤다. 그 아삭한 식감은 진짜 말할 것도 없고 너무 맛있는데 그 벨페퍼 자체가 가지고 있는 그 단맛이 짭조름한 소스랑 샥 만나면서 입안에서 너무 조화롭게 너무 맛있어. 그리고 제일 좋은 건 그 여전히 아삭한 식감이 너무너무 좋아. 숨이 죽지 않았어. 양파도 비슷한 맥락으로 너무 맛있네. 오. 향긋하니 너무 맛있잖아. This time, cashewnut. 색감만 봐서 썼을 땐 치킨인지 캐슈넛인지 구분은 잘 안 갔지만 Cheers. 와. 겉에는 바삭한데 속에는 미친 듯이 크리미해. 너무 맛있다. 그 기름에 살짝 볶은 게 그게 신의 한 수인 것 같아. 맛을 확 끌어주네. 계속 먹게 되네. 그냥 쏙쏙쏙쏙 빼서 막 먹게 되네. 이거 빨리 치킨이랑 먹어봐야겠다. I'm gonna get some chicken, bell pepper, green onion, and cashew nut. 맛있을 것 같은데? 입에서 놀라는 거 아니야? Cheers! 식감의 향연이구만. 너무 맛있다. 밥 떠났어야 됐어. 이 소스 잔뜩 묻은 이 밥, 이것까지 같이 먹었어야 됐다고. 한 번 더. 맛은 쿵파오 치킨이랑 되게 많이 비슷한데 그 쿵파오 치킨에 있는 그 매운맛이 쫙 빠진 느낌이라서 애기들도 너무너무 좋아할 것 같아. 맛있다. So juicy and flavorful. I'm sure you will love it. Enjoy!
Today, I showed you how to make cashew chicken, one of the most beloved dishes all around the world. As you can see, it's simple and ridiculously easy. But regardless of how easy it is to make, it's so tasty, you'll absolutely love it. So please give this a try. If you invest just 15 minutes on this, your friends or family will think you're the master chef of Asian cooking. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.